Today is 12/6/24, and we've epoxy steeled this 97 Civic exhaust manifold with a cat underneath. It's like a pre-cat. So we're gonna go ahead and follow up with the exhaust weld. It's kind of like the wrap you get like when you break your arm, fiberglass, dipped in like a whole bunch of chemicals that get hard. So the instructions are to go ahead and knead this, meaning that you need to push this around back and forth so all the chemicals soak up that fiberglass wrap inside. After that, cut it up. Well, before that, put on some gloves that they give you because this stuff irritates your skin. After that, you will go ahead and tear the bag up, take the wrap it around. I have a scissor ready because mine's not a traditional exhaust wrap because I'm not like down there. I'm dealing with the exhaust manifold. So I gotta be creative. So I'm gonna cut what I need. So I actually have a crack from here all the way here and a crack down here. From down here this way. Again, this way and then this way. So I gotta avoid the exhaust manifold hole. This is a probably much better candidate to weld, MIG weld or TIG weld or some kind of weld. I do have a MIG welder, but I'm a little bit trying to not take this thing out and doing it the Mickey Mouse way, and we'll see how long the Mickey Mouse way lasts. If not, we will take it out and do this the correct way. If we could do the correct way. If it's steel, then it's gonna last. If it's cast iron, then not too good. So let's go ahead and monitor the mileage on this car at the moment. We have 359,794, so let's just call it 360,000 miles. So, well, since it is a Mickey Mouse job, let's be very accurate. It's 359,794, so that's pretty close to 359,800. So we'll call it 800. So another 5 more miles, it'll be 800. So we'll see if this weld works. So that has been on there for 24 hours, and it's called this product called steel epoxy or something like that. It's like $10. This is another $10 item, so we're gonna invest like $20 in some time here, and this hopefully works. All right, next video you'll see is it's all wrapped up, and the next video you'll see is it's gonna work or not. Okay, Risker out.